In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize product cards in Shopify by modifying the theme's code, focusing specifically on the CSS files. Resizing product cards is a great way to ensure that your online store looks good across different devices, enhancing user experience, and potentially boosting sales. Now let's dive into the steps to make these changes. First, you'll need to access the theme editor in your Shopify admin panel. This is where all the customization magic happens. Start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, navigate to the online store section followed by themes. Here, you'll see a list of the themes you currently have. Find the one you'd like to edit, and under the Actions menu, select Edit Code. This will open the code editor, giving you access to the files that build your store's appearance and functionality. Next, we need to locate the CSS files within the theme. In the code editor, you'll see a sidebar displaying various folders and files. Look for the folder labeled Assets. Inside, you'll find CSS files like base.css, theme.css, or style.css. These files contain the styling information that determines how elements on your site, like product cards, appear visually. Now, it's time to add or modify CSS rules to resize those product cards. If you're aiming for a general resizing, start by identifying the CSS class tied to your product cards, such as product card or .grid item. Once you've found it, you can add or modify properties like width, height, or max width to adjust their dimensions. Want to tailor these changes for mobile devices? Media queries have you covered. By using media queries, you can specify that certain styles should only be applied when the screen meets specific criteria. For instance, you might write code so that when the screen is 767 pixels wide or less, product cards have a particular width. Don't forget about spacing. You might want to adjust grid gap or margin properties to manage the space around each card, ensuring your layouts don't look cramped or too spread apart. After making your changes, be sure to save the CSS file. Once saved, preview your Shopify store to check out the resized product cards. Remember, you might need to clear your browser cache or refresh the page before the changes take effect. Before wrapping up, here are a few important considerations. First, note that your theme might have unique CSS class names or file paths. If the changes don't seem to apply, inspect the HTML source code on your product pages to confirm you're targeting the correct elements. Always ensure changes are responsive, using media queries to handle different screen sizes effectively. Keep performance in mind by maintaining concise and straightforward CSS, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Lastly, it's vital to create a backup before you make any code changes, safeguarding your efforts in case anything doesn't go as planned. That's it for today. I hope this guide helps you achieve the perfect look for your product cards. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing!